Today we're going to be making Taco Bell's Grilled Stuffed Burrito here on LCD. Go ahead and take a screenshot because all the ingredients you needed are pictured right here. And start off by browning up your ground beef. I like to add just a little bit of water just to loosen it up. Go ahead and drain and add your Taco Bell seasoning mix. Get a warmed flour tortilla, add your Taco Bell cheese, guacamole, sour cream, your ground beef, and some avocado ranch sauce. Also your Spanish rice and your refried beans. Go ahead and roll that up tightly and add it to a hot skillet. Flip it until it's golden brown. And enjoy, guys.